Style Manager Customization. Style Manager is used to define the 2D drawing standards, such as Dimension Standard, Table Standard, Views General Standard, attributes of sketch entities, and so on. Today we will learn how to customize the Style Manager in ZW3D. Select all from the pull-down list. Then it will show all the drawing standards. Create a new standard based on some standard. Next, click View tab to set view attribute, such as projection angle, view layout, style of threads. Also, you can set the display mode, the hidden line visibility, or PMI inheritance. Click Apply button to confirm all settings. You can set the attribute of point, line, or text, which is used for the drawn entities in 2D Sheet. For example, change the line color and text color, and apply them. Using the drawing tools to draw some geometry and add the text. You will find they are displayed in New Attribute. If you want to modify the Dimension Text attribute, the Dimension attribute should be edited. Select the dimension, such as linear dimension. You can set layer, precision, text position, tolerance, including tolerance type, upper tolerance value, and lower tolerance value, and so on. Set the line or arrow attribute if needed, such as the arrow type, line color, line type. Set the text attribute, select the suitable font, and change the text color and other parameters. Next, let's edit the view attribute. Define the view label and scale attribute, such as scale prefix and alignment. Redefine text attribute. In 2D view, if we want to use the Lines attribute from Part, click Line tab and specify the necessary line attributes with From Part. Okay, let's take an example to check the customized attribute. First, let's use ISO standard to create a 2D drawing. Create a standard view and add some dimensions. Secondly, let's create another sheet with customized standard. Also, create the front view with linear dimensions. Compared to the drawing in the right top, which created by ISO standard, you will find that the view and dimension attributes are totally different. If you want to share 2D drawing standards to users, there are two methods. One is using export and import function. The other is to copy and paste standard file in user folder. Select the standard that we want to export. Click Export to save the file in a specified folder. Copy this file to another PC, then with Style Manager to import it. Then use Style Manager to import it. After that, don't forget to save the settings by clicking the Save to Local button. The second method is that we firstly need to find out the standard file. With %appdata% to search the PC, we can quickly reach the ZW3D user folder, copy the standard file, and then store it in the same directory in another PC.